Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon. In this session, we are going to see difference between primary key, unique key and foreign key constraint in SQL Server. So let's start. Let's see primary key, unique key and foreign key. First thing, there is a null value. Primary key does not allow null value and unique key allow value, means null value, but only one time. Only one null value, means it is uh, unique value is accepted in the unique column, and foreign key can allow one or more null values in the column. And index means when we create the primary key, in background clustered index will create, and data in database table is physically organized in the sequence of clustered index. Means suppose you created the index on id column, so based on there is a by default ascending order 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in that order the data is physically organized. Okay. And then in unique key, when we create the unique key, at that time in the background unique non-clustered index will create. And when we create the foreign key, then no one index is created in the background. From interviewer they will ask, when you create the foreign key which index will create. So nothing, no index will create when we create the foreign key. And keys per table means when we create the primary key at on the table, at that time means maximum how many primary key allow per table. Yeah, only one. Correct. And then next one is the unique key. Means unique key means for one table you can create multiple unique key, no problem. Means for there is a city or because city id is the common one, no problem, but Aadhaar card we can create the unique key for that, or a social security number you can create the unique key for that, or a student id, enrollment id. Correct. And so there will be a unique key, or there is a something is like a bill number or a invoice number, they should be a unique. Correct. At that time we can apply the unique constraint. And then there is a foreign key. Means foreign key have, means a table can have multiple foreign keys. Means suppose one table, and one table having the five columns, means out of that five column three column will be a foreign key, no problem. But in case of the primary key, only one unique key multiple and foreign key multiple. Yeah, temp table. Actually, I will go through the temp table in the few means in a next to next session. So means when temp table we required, actually we have to store the data on a temporary basis, in means not in the physical table. At that time we can use the temporary table. We can create the primary key on the temp table, as well as you can apply the unique key in the primary. Means you can apply the unique key on temp table, but we cannot apply the foreign key constraint on the temp table. Yeah, that is the one. And yeah, duplicate value. Means suppose we create the primary key on any column, then it will allow the duplicate value? No, because actually there is a first of all two characteristics. One is the null and it does not allow duplicate value. That is the related to the primary key. And related to the unique key means it does not allow duplicate value, only one value at a time. And miss in whole column there are 10 records, and that 10 records should be a unique. Records means that particular column value. Means suppose here is table, and table having the column, correct, and this column having the 10 rows, correct. So that 10 rows must be unique, and no duplicate in this. So that is the purpose of this unique key. Duplicate allow does not well allowed. Yeah. And foreign key. Foreign key allowed duplicate value. Means suppose there is a department. Means there are three employees belongs to same department. So this can allow. Means duplicate value can allow in the foreign key. and example wise. Yeah. So create table name, and here we are defining the primary key, and in the background clustered index will create on the id column, correct. And then unique key, how to apply the unique key on the table, sorry, unique key on the column. So here is the name is the column, and here is the we have to provide the unique word, then name should be the unique. And then after that there is a foreign key example, means here we create the first table, that is department, and in that department there is a department id and department name, and which is the primary key department id. And in while creating the foreign key, that key means right now here is the employee is the table, and emp id, name, department id. So department id must be a primary key or unique key in other table, then we can apply the, this is the department table and department having the department id as a primary key, so that we can apply the foreign key here. Or if it is a unique key, then also we can apply, means it should be a primary key or unique key on another table. And yeah, here we are creating the one table, means like the emp, and in emp there is a emp id is the identity, and here we are creating the department id as a foreign key, department id int data type, and foreign key references department table, correct. And which column, department id. So that department id column contain the value of this department id, department table id, yeah, department id, yeah. And yeah, that's it. For detailed information about the primary key, unique key, and foreign key, so please go to the these videos. So you will get complete information about, means whatever the keys, like the only three keys in SQL Server: primary key, unique key, and foreign key. Means there is a primary means composite primary key, composite unique key, or we can uh, refer that particular composite primary key as a foreign key in the foreign key. So you will get complete information in this video, so please watch. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.